Hey, this is Pete Moss. Welcome to Happy. This is a quick intro to olive trees grown in Zone 7. Welcome to Happy.
Hey, wake up!
We got these two girls right here. We got a Nikita Jubilee and the Santa Caterina. That's Santa Caterina right there. This is the Nikita Jubilee. The Nikita Jubilee is known for high productivity. She's got a very different, pretty different leaf structure than the Santa Caterina. This is a genuine Zone 7, so Zone 7 A or B, excuse me. We're in Zone B, Happy is. And she is going in the ground right now. She's known for being very cold hardy. We like cold hardy. Anytime you see the name Nikita in a plant, I don't know this to be true. I should research this. It's probably from Russia. Anything with a Nikita is a Ruski. Go Ukraine. I'm just throwing it out there. The Santa Caterina is known as one of the best table grapes, table olives. Both are listed as tasty olives. This girl was blooming and we did not get her in the ground. I think she's been getting too hot and then in shade. It looks like she's drying out. These little 1 gallon girls, you know, it's best to get them in the ground right away. Olive trees get 10 to 20 feet tall. They like half sun to full sun, but as you know, in the Mediterranean, they thrive in full sun. So they need to be within, if they're not self-pollinating, like these two girls are. Santa Caterina is kind of short. They need to be within about 15 feet of each other or something like that. 20 feet, depends on which way the wind blows and things like that. But we're gonna have them real close to one another. The Nikita is known as an early ripening, and I really hope that it matches up with this one here, the Santa Caterina. We need ripening at the same time. It's time to plant some olive trees here at Happy. Tying her up was real tricky because of that crook in the base, but we pretty much got her done. Gonna mound the soil. Right now she's in a little bit of a trough, but the entire bed is really high. So we're gonna reconfigure from being concave to, I think that's concave, to being more of a pyramid action, and we got another plant in the ground. Please hit the subscribe button. Follow us as we stand up this 2-acre exhibition garden here in Maryland, just about 9 miles south of the U.S. Capitol. Take care of yourself. Take care of someone else if you can. Love you. Bye.